So good morning everyone. So next problem is fourth one. So what is fourth one? Find the amount and compound interest on 6,500 for 2 years compounded annually. The rate of interest being 5% per annum during the first year, and for second year first year and 6% per annum during the second year. For second year they are taking 6%. So here first what we have to find, here we have to find the amount value. So what they have given, compound interest. So principal value they have given as, principal value is 6,500 and rate of interest they have given as 5% for first year. For first year they are collecting 5%, and what is the time? Time is 1 year. And what we have to find? We have to find the amount value. So amount I am taking it as I itself. So already we know the simple interest formula. What is that? I is equals to PTR by 100. What we have to find? We have to find the I value. So for finding I value, we want P value, T value and I value. Okay, so first they told to find the amount. So what is the formula for amount? Amount is equals to principal plus interest. Amount is equals to principal plus interest. We are having two formulas. What is that? I is equals to PTR by 100 and next one is A is equals to P plus I. For finding this A, value, we want P value as well as I value. Okay, for finding the A value, we want P value as well as I value. So P value we know, that is 6,500. I value we don't know. So first we are finding the I here by using this I is equals to PTR by 100. So first you find the I value, after that you will get A value. So I is equals to PTR by 100. So I is equals to, what is the P value? 6,500 into time is 1 year into rate of interest is 5 by 100. Now cancel this, 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So I is equals to 65 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30, 32. So it will be 325 rupees. So interest value you got it as 325 rupees. Now by using this interest value, you have to find the amount value. So how to find the amount? Already we know that A value will be equals to P plus I. Amount is equals to principal value plus interest value. So amount is equals to, what is the principal value? That is 6,500 plus what is interest value? That is 325. So amount is equals to, so that will be 5, 2, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6. So what is the amount value? That is 6,825 rupees. So what is the principal? If they take 6,500, they are paying 6,825 at the rate of 5%. And what is the time they are taking? They are taking it as 1 year. So this is the first case. And in second bit, 6% per annum during the second year. So second year they are changing the rate of interest as 6%. And what is the principal value here? Principal value will become, now principal value is how much? This amount will be converted into principal, and we have to find the amount value for 6% and the time is same, that is 1 year. So now second case, in this the amount will be equals to principal now. Okay, so principal is how much now? 6,825 and rate of interest, it has been increased to 6%. Time is same, that is 1 year. We have to find the amount value. Okay, so now again the same method. So first we have to find, what we have to find? We have to find the amount value. So amount formula is what? P plus I. So in this, if you want to use this formula, you want principal value as well as interest value. But we are having the principal value, we don't know the interest value. So first we will find the interest by using I is equals to PTR by 100. So I am using this I is equals to PTR by 100. So I is equals to, what is the P value? That is 6,825 into time is 1 year. Rate of interest has been increased to 6% by 100. Now you can cancel in two table. 2 50s are, 2 3s are. We can cancel in 5 table. 5 10s are, 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 6s are 30. 5 5s are 25. Now again we can cancel in 5 table. 5 2s are 5, how many times? 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 15. So you got it as I is equals to 273 into 3 by 2. Now cancel it. So multiply these terms. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. That will be 8 19 by 2. Divide this value. So you got it as 409.5 rupees. So interest value you got just 409 rupees. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the amount value. By using which formula we will use? We will find the amount, that is A is equals to P plus I. So amount is equals to, what is the principal? 6,825 plus interest value is 409.5 rupees. Now add these two. So it will be how much? So it will be 7,234.5 rupees. So if the principal is 6,825, the amount will be increased to 7,234.5 rupees if the rate of interest is 6% and the time is same for 1 year. So this is our fourth solution. Next is fifth one. So what is fifth one now? So fifth question is same, in this order only we have to do. Prabhavati borrows 47,000 from a finance company to buy her first car. The rate of simple interest is 17% and she borrows the money over 5 years period. So find how much amount Prabhavati should repay the finance company at the end of 5 years. After end of 5 years, how much amount she has to pay, we have to find. And her equal monthly payments also we have to find. The equal monthly payments also we have to find. So how much amount she has borrowed? That is 47,000. So it will be a principal value. She has borrowed. That means it will be a principal value. That is how much? 47,000. And what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 17%. And time is how much? Time is 5 years. Time is 5 years. Now what we have to find? We have to find the amount value. Again the same thing. First we will apply I is equals to PTR by 100 for finding. Why we are using this formula? For finding the I value. Because for finding the A value we want P value as well as I value. P value we are having it as 47,000. I value we don't know. So by using this formula we are using the I. So it will be I is equals to 47,000 into time value is 5 years into rate of interest is 17 by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So what is the remaining value? 470 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 sevens are 35. 5 fours are 20, 23. Okay, so into 17 we have to do. 7 zeros are 0. 7 fives are 35. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. 7 2s are 14, 16. 1 0s are 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3 and 1 2s are 2. So you got it as 39,950. So I is equals to 39,950 rupees. Okay. So now what we have to find? We have to find the amount value. So amount is equals to principal plus I. So amount is equals to, what is the principal value? That is 47,000 plus interest is how much? 39,950 rupees. So what will be the amount here? Amount will be equals to 47,000 plus 39,950. So 0, 5, 9 will be 16, 8. So it will be 86,950 rupees. So after 5 years he is paying 86,950 rupees. He has taken 47,000 but he is paying how much? 86,950 rupees. Now this value we have to convert into equal payments for 5 years. So how to do that? So second one, equal installments. So for how many years? That is 5 years. So for 1 year it will be having 12 months. 5 years, how many months will be there? We have to find. So what is the total amount? 86,950 divided by 5 into 12. Because for 1 year 12 months, for 5 years we are multiplying with 12 again. So cancel this. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35, you can take. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 15. 9s are 45. 5 zeros are 0. So how much he has to pay? That is 5 ones are 5. That is 17,390 divided by 12. So again we can cancel in two table here. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 2 8s are 16. 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18. 2 5s are 10. So we can cancel in which table now? 8 plus 8 will be 16, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 6 is 28. So it will not go in 3 table. So 6 ones are 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. You got it as 55 here. So 6 9s are 54. 6 1s are 6. So how much monthly payment he has to pay? That is 1449.1 rupees. That is 1449.1 rupees he has to pay for 1 month. So therefore equal installments for 5 years. Five years is how much? 1449.1